Okay, given all of the problems that we've had downloading the latest Show Me video, Show Me and I have decided to break up, and now I'm going to start going out with YouTube. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to redo number 64 on homework 2.2. All right, so let's take a look at it. All right, we've got the function y equals kx squared. And we have the line y equals, I believe, negative 2x plus 3. I've done it enough times. I should remember. There we go. So conceptually, let's take a look at what this problem is asking. They're saying, hey, guess what? There's a parabola. And k will determine whether it opens upward or downward and the width of the parabola. But we don't know what k is, so we have no idea about its shape or direction. What we do know is that there's a line tangent, and it's in the form of y equals negative 2x plus 3. So if I kind of come in here like this, I should be able to see that there's no way that I can get a parabola to go upward and be tangent. So let's try this again and make a parabola that goes downward. And that looks pretty good for a point of tangency. There's two steps here. The first one doesn't require calculus. What do you know about a line that's tangent to a curve? They have to intersect. So if the line and the curve intersect, then we should be able to set them equal to one another. So kx squared equals negative 2x plus 3. And that's your first equation that you're going to bank. Notice that there's two unknowns, so we need a second equation. Again, your first equation is just set the tangent line equal to the original function. Second step requires calculus. We know that the slope of this line is negative 2 based on the equation of the line. And so we know that f prime of x right here is negative 2. So let's find f prime of x. If y equals kx squared, then I'm going to use y prime instead of f prime of x. Y prime equals 2kx. And again, the slope of the tangent line is given to be negative 2. This is the equation for the slope, so I'm going to set them equal. And solving for k here, k equals negative 1 over x. And that's my second equation that I'm going to use. First, no calculus. Second, calculus. All right, keep going here. I'm going to substitute in negative 1 over x times x squared. So I'm just going and putting this up here. Equals negative 2x plus 3. This is giving us negative x plus 2x equals 3. So x equals 3, and then subbing back up here, k equals negative 1/3. And that answer makes perfect sense to me. I knew my parabola had to open downward to make it actually be tangent, so my k should be negative. And I also could kind of see from my picture that it was going to be a little bit wider to be able to get it over there and bump the tangent line. You don't have to do the graph every time. In fact, you don't ever have to do it at all, but it helps me explain to you conceptually what's going on. Hope this helps. Look for it on my YouTube channel.